Welcome to Jointline's overview of our runway grooving services. In this video, we will explore the background, operation and benefits of runway grooving, a method used to enhance friction on wet and dry surfaces in aviation. At Jointline, we specialize in installing anti-skid grooving on both asphalt and concrete runways. With our expertise in airfield and highway safety, we are committed to providing the highest quality services to our clients. So, how does runway grooving work? The process involves saw-cutting horizontal grooves into the runway surface. These grooves are strategically placed to optimize grip in the dry and to aid water dissipation in wet conditions, minimizing the risk of hydroplaning and reducing takeoff and landing distances. To ensure precision and efficiency, we utilize the latest technology, including our state-of-the-art fleet of grooving machines. This machine allows us to create consistent and accurate grooves, meeting the strict specifications required for optimal performance. The importance of selecting the correct groove specifications cannot be overstated. The internal vacuum system also leaves the surface clean and ready for use after the grooving operation is finished. By carefully considering factors such as runway material, climate, and aircraft types, we can tailor our grooving services to meet the unique needs of each runway. The benefits of runway grooving are significant. By enhancing friction on wet and dry surfaces, we improve the overall safety of airfields. This leads to improved takeoff and landing distances for aircraft, reducing the risk of accidents and ensuring the smooth operation of airports. At Jointline, we are dedicated to quality and safety. Our commitment is reflected not only in our services, but also in our employment practices. We employ highly skilled professionals who undergo rigorous training to ensure the highest standards of workmanship. Our teams and equipment are able to mobilize to any international airport or airfield, meaning we can be there when you need us. Jointline's runway grooving services are designed to enhance friction on wet and dry surfaces, improve airfield safety, and optimize aircraft performance. With our expertise and commitment to quality, we are the trusted choice for runway grooving all around the world. For more information, please visit our website or contact us directly.